Wow!
Let's dress up for the beach. Sunglasses.
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 แว่นกันแดด
I want you to wear the white sunglasses.
What number do we pick?
Nice. I want you to wear the red sunglasses.
What number do we pick?
Very good. Sunglasses. Shirt.
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 เสื้อ
I want you to wear the yellow shirt.
What number do we pick?
That is so cool. I want you to wear the purple shirt.
What number do we pick?
Very good. Shirt. Hat.
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 หมวก
I want you to wear the green sun hat.
What number do we pick?
Great. I want you to wear the orange sun hat.
What number do we pick?
Excellent. Hat. Shoes.
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 รองเท้า
I want you to wear the red shoes.
What number do we pick?
Great. I want you to wear the brown shoes.
What number do we pick?
Nice. Shoes.
Vocabulary คำศัพท์
Beach. Clothes. Dress up. Shirt. Shoes. Sunglasses. Hat.